not puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she make it dip.
Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and this video is in collaboration with Love Me Hair. I've worked with this company before. I have like 2 other installs from Love Me Hair on my channel. You can definitely like go check that out. And guys, the box usually has these free gifts, and I love this go-to pouch that they send with every single wig that you purchase. You get pins, you get elastic bands for your wig, you get a nice like clip for your hair, rat tail comb, tweezers, and hairpins. I feel like this is such a cute pouch, and you can always like travel with it. Guys, today's unit is this blonde bombshell. This hair is their Celebrity Ombré 180% density glueless frontal lace wig. That was a mouthful, but yes, that's the wig. And this is in 18-inch. Guys, this is a regular like 13 by 4 frontal. You get these adjustable bands, and I did use them. Inside has 4 combs as well as the regular like adjustable straps, but the elastic bands that came, I did attach those. And guys, this wig install is going to be super quick, super easy. Like, I went ahead and I cut off the extra lace on the side, and I measured up my cap real good. I'm just going in now with my Got2b gel as well as my Got2b free spray, and I'll apply that, then apply a layer, then spray it, then use my blow dryer on cool for like a few minutes, not a few minutes, like a few seconds, and then I'm going to lay the lace in that, and then I'll blow dry it again on cool and melt the lace into the gel and the spray. And I'll do this until I get the entire unit down. If you've watched any of my hair videos before, you've seen me do this like several times. It's the same process how I do my wigs almost all the time. If I'm not gluing it, I'm using the Got2b free spray and the gel. And guys, I'm just cutting off like the excess lace and just like doing my hair like section by section. I do the middle section first, and then I go to the side, and I'm doing like the same process where I just add the Got2b gel, and then I use the spray, and then just lay the lace in there. Guys, this wig, the color is 1B427. It is pre-plucked. The knots looked bleached to me. I will definitely like leave all that information down below, but it looked like the knots were bleached. The knots look amazing. They didn't look like really like big, so it is like individually knotted, because you know some of these wigs it's like only individually knotted on like the first row, and then behind that you got like a lot of double knots, and those look really ugly and make your hair look extremely fake. This is individually like knotted. It can be worn glueless, and it is Swiss lace, and I got it in a medium brown, and this is a medium cap, and it is 180% density. This unit should last you for like a year. And guys, after I've secured it, I'm just going in and just tying my hair down with my rapid styling strips. And once I feel like the lace is like dried and everything is nice and settled, I'm just gonna take that off and then go in with the baby hairs. And once I took it off, it looked kind of scary, but trust me, I'm gonna comb all that out and it's all gonna come together. But yeah, that's what happened when you use the Got2b spray. It tends to be a bit messy. But that's my hairline after I did my edges, and I'm just like tying that down, and then I'm gonna move on to like styling the unit. And because this unit is already curly, I just like planned on keeping it curly. I wasn't gonna straighten it or nothing. So I literally am just gonna use like my curling wand and add like a few curls in the front just to like turn it in the direction that I want it, and then I'll just add these flexi rods to hold it until I'm finished doing my makeup. The hair is a colored hair that they had to bleach it, so it does tend to like dry out. But I just added some serum over top, like a light serum. I used the Garnier Fructis hair serum, and I just added that over top, and then that just took away any like any look. You know how colored hair be looking weird? Like that just took it all away. After I did my makeup, I came back to like finish my unit, and all I'm gonna do right now is just take the flexi rods out and then just like comb the hair in the style that, well, the desired way that I wanted. I literally just wanted to just be effortless and just like curly, like messy kind of curl kind of vibe, since it was already curly. And then because this unit is like an 18-inch, I didn't know like what else to really do with it, so this was how I wore it. I pinned the side down, and then I just like wore it like out. But guys, later on, after I recorded this video, I went ahead and I did the hair in like a half up style, and it looked super cute. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all would have definitely seen that. Like I styled it in a different like way, and I'll kind of like add that to my story on here so y'all can see. But this unit turned out to be super cute. It didn't shed much. Like it's colored. I expected it to be like shedding, but it didn't really shed like much. It was like normal. It wasn't like shedding a lot, and I feel like the lace looked pretty nice, and I'm pretty much like pleased with this unit. Like let me know your thoughts down below. Be sure to like, be sure to comment, and most importantly, be sure to subscribe. All the information on this unit will be left in the description bar, so if you're interested in this unit, you can definitely go ahead and purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching yet another one of my tutorials. I love you guys oh so much, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.